Hey guys, it's Gina. I have something really special to share with you today. This was a gift to me. It's not something that a brand provided, and it's not anything I purchased on my own. It was a gift. So I want to show you, I had no idea when I received this that it was coming, and I've been just blown away by the whole thing. So on the outside of the packaging, it comes in a beautiful gift box. It says hug in a box. And I was like, what is this? I had no idea how amazing what was going to be inside. So it starts off with these. These are really cute fuzzy socks. They have little gold hearts. Let me hold them up close for you. Super soft and cozy socks. Can't wait to enjoy those. Inside is a little heartfelt note with a kind of a 3D stuffed heart on here. Super cute. Then I'm going to pull this out of here. So this says, oh, I love this. It says hug in a mug. And it actually even has a lid on it. So this is a stainless steel insulated mug. This is super cute. It has a lid on it with a drink spout and the ability to even, like, you can pour it either way to put a straw in there or to even close it up. So this is super cute. Let's show you this. It also comes with a blanket. I'm like, what? Are you kidding me? Let's open this up. Oh my goodness, this has that super soft, cozy feel. I want to go, it has beautiful satin bow on it. Let's go ahead and take this apart and open it up. This is absolutely beautiful. It's just a nice, like a perfect size for putting over you when you're sitting in a chair and just want to stay cozy. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's a really nice size. Love this. Then it also comes with a vanilla coconut scented candle. It says it's a natural soy candle and has 20 hours burn time. It says on here, there are some who bright a light so great to the world that even after they've gone, the light remains. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be burning this today. This has a beautiful smell, such a beautiful candle. Then it comes with oatmeal coconut handmade soap. Oh my gosh, I can smell the coconut in there. And then this is a vanilla coconut bath bomb. They have all different purposes for sending these. These are for birthday gifts. They can be for a just because gift, graduation gift, a sympathy gift. What a special way to treat yourself or to treat someone else. Highly, highly, highly recommend this. What a great gift idea. I don't know who came up with this, but hug in a box definitely makes me feel like I was hugged by the special person that sent this to me. So check it out. Definitely highly recommend.